How to connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite. So, to connect your Instagram account to Meta Business Suite is very simple. The first step is to log in to your Meta Business Suite account. So once you are logged in and you are brought to the home page, on the home page, just below your Facebook page name, you will see the option connect Instagram if you've not connected it. So you can just click on that. Then you can decide to create a new Instagram profile, or you can just decide to log in into your Instagram page. Then you click on continue, and then you wait for the page to load. Then you can decide to continue with your Instagram account that you have saved on your Chrome already, or on your web browser already. And then after clicking on it, wait for it to load as well. Then once it has loaded, you'll be asked to fill in some instructions, select your category and all of that. And then once you're done, it should load, and then this message will be displayed which says Instagram connected. Your Facebook page and Instagram account are now connected. So click on done. And the reason I can't show us vividly is because I have started the process already. Alright, so I just wanted to complete it, and then so immediately I clicked on connect Instagram account, it's resumed for where I stopped earlier. Alright, but it's very simple. Just click on connect Instagram like I did, and then follow the on-screen instructions, select the category you fall under, you put your personal details, click on continue, and then your Instagram account and your Facebook account would be connected, such that we can make a post on your Facebook account as well as on your Instagram account. So thanks for watching guys, and have a good day.